What's up, everybody? I'm back with another video, and I'm about to make some hot water cornbread and some green. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Let's get into it. Let's go. First off, I'm gonna rewash my greens. Even though they pre-wash, you always gotta rewash your greens off, right? Okay, let's get into it. Next, I chopped up some celery and some purple onions. Definitely putting it in my greens, y'all. If y'all haven't tried it, try it. It give it like a different flavor to it. Then we go over here to the what? The turkey tails. Yes, I got like 4 of them things up in there. Turkey tails. As y'all can see, they are in the pot. Now I'm about to put my clean pre-washed greens on top of them. You see that? Them nice clean greens. They're like turnip, collard greens, and mustard greens. They're 3 different kind of greens. Y'all see it? Yes. Now I'm finna add my what? My celery and onions on top of that. Yeah, it's packed up there, and I'm adding my water to it. You know? Y'all see it? The water is up in there chilling. Yep. Now y'all see how they look. They boiling right now. Good and boiled, and I did season them. My garlic, onion, pepper. I use a lot of seasons up in here. You can put all the seasons you want, any kind you want up in there. You can add the seasons you want, but this is what I did. Now we finna get to the what? Hot water cornbread. Hot water cornbread. That's that white cornmeal, flour, sugar, all that good stuff. Mix it up, salt. Yes. I ain't made hot water cornbread in a long time, y'all. So I'm finna use that good old 100% pure avocado oil. I'm finna put that in that pot. Yep. Y'all see me over there. Hey, y'all. Adding that hot water. We finna mix it real good. I'm glad y'all enjoying this video. Make sure y'all like it though and leave a comment. Tell me if y'all know how to make hot water cornbread. My mom taught me how to make hot water cornbread. Yes, she did. See, I'm dipping it right there in a little pot right there. Some people like make it like a little ball and smash it, but I'm using a spoon. Y'all see? I'm doing it with the spoon, just scooping and putting it in the pan like that. Because I didn't feel like balling up in my hands. I don't do all that. But you can use yellow cornmeal or white cornmeal, but I prefer the white cornmeal. I like the white. Hey, I'm just letting y'all know what's going on. That's all. Hey, y'all. I'm enjoying myself. I hope everybody having a wonderful Friday. Friday. Once again, I'm saying, hey, y'all. Right here, I'm just letting it cook, messing with it. Letting it cook. So it get what? That golden brown. That's how you want your cornbread. Hot water cornbread. Look at it. Ooh, and it's crispy too. So the inside is moist and the outside is crispy. That's how you want it, y'all. That's how you want that hot water cornbread, okay? Yeah, I'm finna plate it right here. Bam. Look at it. Ooh-wee. And I put more butter on top of it. The melted butter, you put on, that one look kind of crazy. Don't mind that one. But yeah, I put butter on top. And I put some more in that skid. But check this out. Look at these onions go with the turkey tails. That meat tender, baby. When I say it's tender. Baby. And that flavor. Baby, them greens been cooking for 3 hours. They say 2, but I let them baby cook for 3 hours. I sure did. Because I want that meat like that right there. Tender. Falling off that turkey tail. I see it. Baby, I made that whole pot. Nah. I might. But it came out really good though, y'all. Tell me how y'all cook y'all greens. What y'all put out here? You know? And it's all done. Y'all see that bowl right there? That hot water cornbread, that hot sauce. I gotta have my hot sauce. But like I said, them are turnips, mustard, and collard greens. I got them from Applebee's, y'all. I think I have about 3 bowls, y'all. Don't tell nobody. But thanks for watching. I'm out, y'all.